Hey, Tony with Autoshop Solutions. I've actually been in New York the last few days hanging out with Adam Liu from M-Spec, longtime customer, and wanted to get your firsthand experience of working with us.
Yeah, so I really love Autoshop Solutions. I feel like they really align with who we are. You know, they take care of us in terms of our marketing, and anytime we have any questions, they're always available to us. And just like we are for our customers, same thing.
Yeah. And we have a kind of a funny backstory is I remember every year you would call me and kind of ask me about your SEO program for your current provider, and it did take a little bit. So do you want to talk a little bit to kind of like the hesitancy, and like we see it a lot with shop owners just waiting too long almost to make that change?
Yeah, so we worked with another agency for quite a long time, and you know, it's not the easiest thing to transition to a new website provider, a new partner in digital marketing. There's a lot involved. It takes a while to get a website launched, and you're also worried about like what your numbers are going to look like when you switch companies. So I've known Tony for several years before we started working together, and one of my biggest concerns are we going to retain what we built over time? And you know, I took the leap, and it's been great so far. You know, we're really busy, and marketing's working really, really well. And there's really nothing to worry about. It's one of those things that you kind of have to get over, especially when you're working with another company. It's a little bit different when you don't have a website at all, or you have something that is not really up to standard, but it's certainly something that was a pleasant surprise that we were busier once we started getting going.
Yeah, thanks very much for saying that. And just like your testimonial, we have many other ones right on our website. Check out autoshopsolutions.com, and we'll see you soon.